Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today we are going to talk about how to draw trend lines. So let's jump into this video. Hello guys, how are you doing today? First of all, we are going to draw our support boxes. Now, I already covered how to do this in a previous video. The playlist is in the description. So this way you can know where your support is and where your resistance is also. Now, the box in the middle is the box that I drew because I also see here lots of support and resistances. Here we got rejected, here we got rejected, we blasted through, we got rejected as new support right here. We failed, we went back up, here we got rejected, here we got rejected, here we got rejected until we blasted through. Here the same, rejected, rejected. We went back down, we got rejected. So this is also a huge area of support and resistance. So now we know that, and right now I'm going to draw trend lines. So when the price develops, just when the price develops, so imagine that all this here has still to come. So consider that as gone. How am I doing this? Okay. First of all, I'm just connecting the high with this one. This is something that we knew because this price has still yet to come, right? So I'm just connecting the above lines. So, and I'm drawing the line further. Okay. Then the price develops. We already had this. We saw the drop coming. So from here, we are looking to connect at least 3 lines. So when the price develops, you just connect the lows and the highs. So you get something like this. Yes. But also, you have the wicks and you have the candle bodies. So I'm going to draw this a little bit further. Okay. Then the price develops. You see that here we got rejected. We went through this price, we got rejected again. So I'm going to draw another trend line because here we got rejected as new support. So I'm going to add this. I'm going to connect this line, this. So, and now this is where the real magic is going to happen. I added my RSI, which I showed in my, I guess, two videos ago. So I'm going to show you this one. So what can we see right now? We know that here above is a huge resistance. So that is probably going to be my take profit zone. I am in a trade, I'm up about $500 US. Now, how did I play this entire game? It's actually not so difficult. Here we knew that we were at an all-time high. So we also knew that this area was huge resistance. We drew our trend line. And right here we can see that when we went up here, we are overbought. We also knew with this trend line that we are probably going to be rejected. Also, this resistance box is another indicator that gives us the feeling that here is a lot of resistance. So we have two things that telling us, hey, here is a lot of resistance. We also knew that we were overbought, so the chance that we go back down is very huge. Okay, so this is an incredibly great trade opportunity. So let me draw this one. Now the target would have been this support trend line, because we knew that if we connect this, that we have support at this line. So you just take a trade and you just follow the price. As long as it didn't touch this trend line, you don't close your short. Okay. Then here you know that we are at a trend line, at a support trend line, and the price is oversold, and we clip back into the gray area right here. So this would be another opportunity to take a trade. You take the trade by the candle close, and you write it all up to where? To this trend line. Why only to this trend line? Because that's something that you are sure of. Okay, so it went all the way up to here, to that trend line. Done. We know that this box is a huge support box. We found support here, support here, support here. So we know that when the price enters into this support box, that there is a high chance that we got rejected and bounce back up. Okay, so what are we doing? We take a long trade and we put our stop loss right below this box. We clip into the gray area right here. The candle closes right here. We take a trade, and our target would have been the upper resistance. So the upper resistance is this box. And this is something that you simply know that we are going to retest as new resistance and probably go back down. Okay. Now, what do we see here? We enter the resistance box, and we know that we are overbought. And when we are overbought, we can simply know that we are at a resistance, we are overbought, so the chance is much likely that we go down again. So by the candle close, when you enter into the gray area, you simply take a short position. What will be your target? This trend line from here, you connect this and then here. Right? So when we touch the trend line, you simply exit your trade. The next trade opportunity is this one. We see that we are oversold. So the price clips back into the gray area. We are also at a level of huge support with this box and with this trend line. So we just take a long trade. What will the target have been? First of all, this trend line. Did I miss this move? Yes, I missed this move. For sure. No doubt about it. But if you calculate every trade, every simple trade, this is only 5 trades in like, how many days? 14 January. In like 2 weeks. With these 5 trades, if you play them with 10x leverage on bybit, link is in the description for a bonus, then you would have made a lot of money. Does this look difficult to do? Is this rocket science? No, this is not rocket science. This is actually pretty easy to do. So this will be it for this video. Please like this video just to give it some more views for YouTube. And also, if you haven't subscribed, then please subscribe, because I'm going to make other videos just like this to explain how to trade at an easy way. And if you haven't seen my my playlist below, I'm telling you from scratch how I do it and what I am doing. Okay, guys, have a nice day, and I wish you all of luck with your trading strategies. And bye bye. See you in the next video. Cheers.